Marlo, what are some of the key considerations for someone considering a quality wool carpet for their home?
There's a number of things to think about. Probably you would start with whether you like a cut pile or a loop pile. So we've got cut piles here in a twist and a plush, and then we've got loops as well. Both perform really well. It just comes down to what you like. And then obviously colour. There's a vast array of colour options. Lots of neutrals, lots of strong colours as well. We've got some really great greens over here. We can also custom colour. So if you're looking for something that's not a traditional colour, we can custom colour as well.
That's really clever. So considering style, considering colour, the custom option is available, which is really unique. If you're considering quality carpet for your home, come down and check out the Prestige Carpet showroom here at the Build and Design Centre. Plenty to choose from, 7 days a week.